Okay? So I gave the example of paying as soon as you off first. Because that's another thing.
No. I guess I couldn't afford a car and I couldn't buy groceries. I learned that we have to make good decisions with our money to be able to survive in life.
I had learned that, it's like everything is not about like the good things, like the nice things. You gotta work with what you got. You gotta work with what you got.
Did I survive? Yes, I did. My favorite part of this whole entire thing, I would say, is the budgeting. The budgeting was my favorite because I learned how to budget and how to put my important stuff before my wants. So I would say that was my favorite part. And plus, half of the stuff that I did learn today, I didn't know. But most of it I did, so I'm glad I know it now.
Yeah, I survived, with only $20 in my pocket, but that's just how I go. My favorite part was picking the house. It was more of a realistic situation, houses aren't cheap, so I had to pay a lot of money for it. Yeah, I had a very good time.
Financing is very important. Yeah, if you don't budget, then you're gonna have some days where you can't afford certain things.
I did survive. Make sure y'all budget. Very good. Okay.